Ticker symbol AMZN, that is Amazon. We're looking at here on the daily chart. Really, when you start learning charts and how to do some TA, really, this is kind of what you want to look for. I mean, if we go back this full year into our daily chart here, you can see resistance, broke, come down, confirm. Now it's our support, go back up, resistance, broke, hit another resistance, come back down, confirm the support. All your resistances are becoming supports, all your supports are confirming, and we're just kind of stair stepping here higher into earnings, which are coming up pre-market, I'm sorry, aftermarket on February 6th. Now, the option cycle going into next week, you're looking around a $14 to $15 expected move. Really, the market's in there super tight because you got a lot of volume. It's a big name stock. So your market's in there about 10 cents. And really, your skews are going to be on the call side, which kind of gives you a little bit of an idea where your risk is, but it's not really anything that we want to look into too hard because it's more of an earnings play coming up than anything there in that cycle. Now, if we dig down deeper here into this daily chart, 9-day EMA, which is right there, right at the 234.25 mark, that's going to be a nice support for us. But really, we're more worried about this 231, 230 area because you can see that was a resistance for us here in the past. Now, if we do come down and confirm that here before we hit earnings, then our next resistance is going to be the 240, 241 area, but not really sure what's going to happen with the next two market days. Might just be a little bit of consolidation here before earnings really sets us off up to this trend line up here at the 243s and we can blow the top off, or it might just bring us back down below this support here and actually on this lower trend line, which you're probably going to be right around that 225 area. Now, anywhere below that, you're going to go back down to this 215, which really it kind of had a magnet to it here coming back in middle December into the end of December. Really, there was no way getting around it. It had to touch that. It had to hit it before we can start working our way up into this earnings run. Now, we are going to be all news based here, coming up with the tariffs and everything that Trump is coming out and saying and trying to change with this new administration. But all in all, TA wise, we're just kind of checking out those levels, definitely keeping an eye on that 234.25 9-day EMA. We're also worried about the RSI needs to reset just a little bit, but really, like I said, we have earnings coming up, so it's going to be more about news-based play coming here in the next couple days. All right, guys, make sure to check us out on all our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all our socials in the description below.